Hey guys, hope you're well. It's Tuesday the 9th of November 2021. What news have we got today? The high priority news anyway. UK times, remember, 1:30 p.m. the USD PPI news. And then it's we've got some speeches from Powell again. We had one yesterday. We've got a speech from Bailey, Governor Bailey. And Governor Macklem from Canada later on tonight, 10:45. So quietish. You still have to be aware of these people when they speak because they can cause market momentum, market volatility. So just keep your eyes on that. I'm just going to go through a couple of charts of interest. This one for me is one of my favorites at the moment. Aussie USD traveling within this parallel channel here. Buyers were in charge here, taking price higher, 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 high highs, high lows. Now we started to see lower highs, lower lows. Sellers are in charge. So I'm looking for this to go all the way back down to the bottom of the channel here. For me, this looks like a corrective pattern forming. Just going to take off these averages for a second. Okay, looks like a corrective pattern. We've had an impulse correction. Potentially getting a double top here at 74.31. So be on the lookout for this, guys. Look out for sellers to come in, breaking through this counter trend line here and the next move down. Yeah, that is one of my favorite charts at this moment in time. So Aussie USD short, and Euro GBP, we've actually placed a buy limit on this in this zone here. You can see this little zone where we had buyers come in, buyers come in, buyers come in. This is a what I would call a high value zone. This is where we see some activity. We've had this big bullish impulse here, starting to see, or we are in the middle of a correction. If we can come back into this zone, I would foresee that buyers come in again like they have previously. The momentum is to the upside. We can see this move up, correction, move up, correction, expecting another move up. This is the structure that price is playing out inside. So yeah, a nice little buy round about well, just above. We've placed a buy limit just above this 85 zone. So keep your eyes on that as well. Whether you want to place a buy limit, that's totally down to you. Whether you want to set an alert to see what happens with price around there, that's equally valid. You know, looking at the smaller time frames to see if those sellers start to leave the market and we start to see buyers come in. So yeah, that's a nice chart for us as well, keeping our eyes on that. And like I say, we've got a buy limit there. The other chart I like the look of is Euro Yen. Euro Yen price is traveling within this channel. We're at the bottom of the channel, and if I remember rightly, was it on the, I can't remember if it was on the daily or the hourly, we were getting a little bit of a price divergence here. Yeah, so the price is making lower lows, the MACD is making higher lows, telling us that potentially this momentum to the downside, because we're getting lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, that momentum is dying out, and we should start looking for, or anticipating I should say, buyers to come in. So looking for price to break out of this structure here towards the top of the bigger structure. Okay, so we've got this basically a falling wedge pattern, we would call it, looking for price to break out and move up to the top up here. So Euro Yen looking nice as well. Euro Yen, Euro Pound, and Aussie USD quite nice charts, really high on our watch list. So I thought we'd share that with you today. I would say Aussie USD is probably my favorite, but you know what, each to their own. Some of you may feel differently. Have a look, see what you think. If you can find a trade there that matches your rules, then fantastic. Fingers crossed. So guys, I will leave it there. Quick one today, but really just focusing on a few charts today, so nothing too major going on. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.